Here's how to fix the issue when After Effects isn't playing sound through your headphones. This problem can sometimes be due to a misconfiguration in your system or After Effects settings. Let's troubleshoot it step by step. First, check if your system audio is working correctly. On Windows, go to the taskbar and right-click on the sound icon. Select Sound Settings from the menu. You'll see a list of available audio devices. Ensure that your headphones are selected as the output device. You can test them by adjusting the volume slider or playing a system sound. If you hear audio, then your headphones are working fine. If the system audio is fine, but After Effects still isn't playing sound, the issue is likely with the software settings. Open After Effects and go to the top menu. Click on Edit, then navigate to Preferences and select Audio Hardware. In this window, look for the Default Output drop-down menu. Make sure it matches the audio device you set in your system settings, in this case, your headphones. After selecting the correct output, click OK to save the changes. It's a good idea to restart After Effects to ensure the settings are applied correctly. Once it reopens, try playing your project again. You should now hear the audio through your headphones. Once everything is set up properly, your sound should play seamlessly in After Effects, whether you're using headphones or another audio device. Thanks for watching.